Thank you for watching this video. This time we're gonna look at this vest made by Milwaukee. This is the size large. And let's take a look at it even further. It has 15 pockets, including one for the ID in the front and one for the tablet in the back. So this tape is reflective. This is breathable. So you have a big pocket on the back. You have a zipper on each side. And I have a 10-inch tablet. So if you're right-handed or left-handed, you can use the back pocket anyway. And it's breathable too, so your tablet doesn't get hot. You have the hole for the safety fall in the back. The neck is padded. You have large pockets in the front. You have pockets for your pens, markers, whatever you want to put in there. You have another pocket right behind it. You have your ID pocket and a pocket behind it as well. You have the two mic holders. You have a inside pocket here, another pocket in here. You can adjust the vest here if you want it tighter or loose. There's another pocket. Easy to handle. You probably put your phone in here, or any of the pockets basically. You have Velcro in here too, so you can keep your pocket open or closed. And nicely reflective. And I'll take a picture of myself wearing it. I'm 198 pounds and 5'10", and it seems kind of big, but you could always make it a little bit smaller. But it's nice to have it loose. Your ID goes in here. It's a nice size pocket too, because if you have, this is the business card size. So it covers more than that. So the pocket here is about 3.5 inches by 4 inches, the window. It's bigger than that, but the window itself. So that's cool. I'm wearing it outside my shirt and sweater, but I can wear it easily outside a jacket. Here is me putting the tablet away. I'm not flexible, so this might be easier for somebody else to do it. So take it out. It's a lot easier to take off than to put it in there. Hope the video helps you. Enjoy.